In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Luba Mini 2 all-wheel drive. This robot is the second generation of the Luba Mini all-wheel drive series, and this particular model is vision powered, so it has a tri-camera system and it uses that exclusively to navigate. So there's no RTK, no wire, it just uses 3 cameras to navigate where it is, find its way around your garden and see obstacles. So let's get the box open and have a look at the product. Here we have the contents of the box. So, going from my right, we've got the charging station, which is already together. There is just a slight bit of assembly where you just need to put on the cover for the charging station on there. You've got the power supply for the charging station. You've got a small brush for cleaning the robot underneath, so it's a regular maintenance task you should be doing every couple of weeks or maybe even every month. Just turn the robot upside down and clean the underside so there's not too much grass buildup. Got a double-ended screwdriver, which you can use to change the blades or access the battery panel at the back. Got a spare safety key. There's one already fitted into the machine. Got a couple of ground pegs for cable management, so that's for managing the cable that's coming from the charging station. Got some pegs and a plastic Allen key to secure the base into the ground if you're going to be putting it into soil. Got some instructions. You've got the vision module, and then finally the machine itself. So there's not really much assembly that you need to do. You just need to fit the vision module to the machine, and then that's it. You're pretty much ready to start installing it. Speaking of assembly, the very first thing you'll notice when you open the box is this quick start guide. So this has a list of everything you should find in the box and exactly what to do with it. And then on the reverse, show you what you need to do in order to get set up successfully. So next, we'll fit the vision module to the robot. So fitting the vision module is very simple. First, we just need to remove this here. So all this is just a piece of packaging that is covering up the connections for the vision module. So you can see we've got 3 connections, and they correspond to 3 wires on the vision module. So just take that out of the packaging here. So we just need to put these cables into their corresponding connectors. So white to white, black to black, and then this silver screw-in connector. Just line up the pins and tighten that up. Then carefully feed those inside the housing there. Pop the vision module in place. And then you've got 4 Torx screws just to tighten up. So we'll just use our double-ended screwdriver that came in the box. And that is nice and tight and secure. And then don't forget to remove the sticker from the front. There's only one more piece of assembly we need to do, and that's just to put the little cover on top of the charging station. So really simple, no tools required for this one. And then it's just push fit. So you go from the front and you're lining up these tabs with these holes here. And there we go. Assembly is complete. You're ready to follow the rest of the instructions and start using your machine.